Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you manage the privacy settings in the AppLock application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on it. And once you have done with that, you should select the last option on this page, which is about. And after that you should scroll down a little bit and you will see once again as the last option the privacy settings. You need to press on it. Now it reacts a little bit slowly, you have to wait a little bit, and here if you want to customize those settings you have to press on manage options, and here you can activate or deactivate anything that you agree with or not. And once that is done, you have to just press confirm choices. And just like that, your privacy settings were changed. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.